What if I told you a machine exists that can create light as powerful as 10,000 suns?
A New Jersey-based company says it's developed a revolutionary new primary power source, one that could wean the world off fossil fuels and provide an endless supply of safe, clean energy.
A small device, no bigger than a coffee cup, generates endless energy. No pollution, no fuel. It's just pure power. A U.S. company claims to have cracked the code for unlimited clean electricity.
It's incredibly compelling. Just on inspection, you can tell it's making an enormous amount of power.
They say it will replace fossil fuels forever.
It's capable of producing power without any pollution, without using any finite resources. It's amazing technology.
Some call it the most significant breakthrough in history. Others say it's impossible. What's the truth? Is this the future of energy or just another empty promise? Stay with me as we uncover the shocking story behind brilliant light power. This will blow your mind. The man behind the innovation. Who is the genius behind this bold claim? Meet Randall Mills, a scientist who challenges everything we know about energy. He isn't just another inventor. He's a Harvard-trained chemist. He studied at MIT. For over 30 years, he has searched for a new way to create power, a way that defies what most scientists believe is possible. Mills claims he has found a hidden energy source in the very structure of hydrogen, the most common element in the universe. He says he can shrink hydrogen atoms, releasing massive amounts of energy in the process. This isn't nuclear power. It's not fusion. It's something completely new. His company, Brilliant Light Power, has spent decades refining this technology. Many have called his ideas impossible, and experts have dismissed him. Yet he refuses to stop. He claims his machine works, producing incredible amounts of energy. If true, this could change everything. The world could run on clean, limitless power. But is he a revolutionary or just another dreamer? Has Randall Mills discovered the key to infinite energy? Or is this just another idea that sounds too good to be true? The truth is shocking. Let's dive deeper. The technology explained. What is brilliant light power? Imagine a machine that creates light as powerful as 10,000 suns. A device no bigger than a coffee cup generates endless electricity. No pollution, no waste. It's just pure energy. This is what Brilliant Light Power claims to have built. Hydrinoformation is at the heart of this technology, a process that defies traditional science. Randall Mills says hydrogen, the most common element in the universe, can be pushed into a lower energy state, which releases an enormous burst of power. This isn't nuclear energy. It's not fusion or fission. No dangerous radiation, no meltdown risks. Instead, Mills' machine uses an electrical arc and special catalysts to trigger this reaction. As hydrogen shrinks, it gives off blinding light and extreme heat. That heat is then converted into electricity. The numbers are shocking. 1 gram of hydrogen fuel could generate as much power as 616 gallons of gasoline. A single unit could power entire homes, businesses, and even cities. No carbon emissions, no harmful byproducts, just limitless, clean energy. If this works, the implications are massive. Fossil fuels could become obsolete, solar and wind could struggle to compete, and energy shortages could become a thing of the past. But is this truly the next big breakthrough? Or is it too good to be true? The answer could change everything. How it compares to existing energy sources. The world runs on energy, but at what cost? Fossil fuels power almost everything: cars, homes, and factories. Yet they are dirty, expensive, and disappearing fast. Burning them pollutes the air and heats the planet. Oil spills poison oceans. Coal mines destroy landscapes. Nuclear power offers a cleaner option, but it comes with risks. Radiation leaks, meltdowns, and deadly waste that stays dangerous for thousands of years. Is that really a solution? Solar and wind sound perfect. They don't pollute. But they have limits. The sun doesn't always shine. The wind doesn't always blow. Storing energy is expensive. Power grids struggle to keep up. Now, imagine something different. Brilliant light. Power claims to have the answer. Their machine doesn't burn anything. It doesn't rely on weather. It doesn't create waste. Instead, it taps into the hidden power of hydrogen. A tiny amount of fuel produces an endless supply of energy. No pollution, no limits, just pure power, anywhere, anytime. If true, this technology destroys the competition. No more drilling for oil. No more massive solar farms. No more nuclear waste. A future where energy is cheap, clean, and infinite. But is it real? Can it replace everything we use today? Or is it just another wild idea that will disappear? The world is watching. If this works, everything changes. If not, it's just another dream. What happens next could decide the future of energy. The potential applications of this technology. If brilliant light power is accurate, the world is about to change. Imagine an energy source so powerful it can replace everything we use today. No more coal, no more gas, no more waiting for the sun or wind. Just unlimited, instant power. Homes could run on a small generator the size of a microwave. There would be no more power outages, no more rising electricity bills, and entire cities could be powered without massive grids or expensive infrastructure. Electric cars could drive thousands of miles on a single charge. There would be no more waiting at charging stations or range anxiety. Aeroplanes could fly without burning fuel, and cargo ships could cross oceans without a single drop of oil. Factories and industries would save billions. Some of the biggest polluters, such as steel, cement, and chemical production, could become clean overnight. Businesses could cut costs, making everything cheaper for consumers. In remote areas, villages without electricity could suddenly have 24/7 power. There would be no need for long transmission lines or expensive setups. This could transform healthcare, education, and everyday life for billions of people. The possibilities seem endless. If this technology delivers, it won't just change energy, it will change civilization itself. But will it live up to the promise? The world is waiting to find out. The global implications: economy, politics, and society. It controls economies, fuels industries, and even starts wars. But what happens if energy becomes limitless, cheap, and available to everyone? The impact would be massive. Countries that rely on oil and gas could lose their power. Nations that once dominated global politics through energy control would struggle to stay relevant. No more energy wars, no more supply chain disruptions. The balance of power would shift. For economies, the effect would be huge. Electricity costs could drop to almost nothing. Factories would produce goods at a fraction of today's price. Businesses would grow faster. Living expenses would shrink. More money in people's pockets means stronger economies everywhere. In developing nations, this could be life-changing. Remote villages with no power could light up overnight. Hospitals could run 24/7. Schools could have electricity for computers and the internet. Billions could rise out of poverty. The environment would finally have a chance to heal. No more oil spills, no more toxic emissions. Cities could be cleaner, skies more transparent, and forests untouched. But will governments and energy giants allow this shift? Or will they fight to protect their industries? The world is watching. If this technology is accurate, the future may never be the same. The skepticism and challenges. A machine that creates endless energy sounds like a dream, but many say it's too good to be true. Scientists have spent decades trying to unlock new energy sources. Nuclear fusion, cold fusion, and other breakthrough claims have failed. Now, Randall Mills says he's done the impossible. But can he prove it? The biggest challenge is scientific acceptance. Many physicists reject the idea of hydrogenous. They say it breaks the known laws of physics. Some call it pseudoscience. Others say if it were real, the world's top researchers would have confirmed it by now. Then there's the problem of replication. Many have tried to recreate Mills' results. Few have succeeded. Without independent proof, doubts grow more vigorous. Big energy companies won't stay silent. Billions of dollars are at stake. If this technology works, fossil fuel giants lose everything. Will they fight to stop it? Legal battles also loom. Brilliant light power has faced patent issues and skepticism from investors. Will they survive long enough to change the world? Breakthrough or illusion? Visionary or fraud? The answer could shape the future of energy. But until this machine powers cities, the world remains unconvinced. Only time will tell. The road to 2025. What's next? Brilliant Light Power says the future is closer than we think. Its technology is ready to scale, but will it actually happen? Right now, they are building larger prototypes. These machines have already produced bursts of extreme energy. The next step is creating full-scale power units that can feed electricity into the grid. If they succeed, the first commercial reactors could be available as early as 2025. The company also plans to develop smaller, portable systems. Imagine a device in your home generating endless electricity without needing the power grid. No fuel, no pollution, just pure energy. Businesses, hospitals, and cities could run on this new power source. But challenges remain. Will governments allow this? Will energy companies fight back? And most importantly, can they prove this works on a massive scale? Mills and his team believe they can change the world. They are progressing, testing, refining, and preparing for the next phase. If they deliver, 2025 could start a new energy revolution. But if they fail, it will be just another forgotten dream. The countdown has begun. The world is watching. What happens next could change everything. The future of energy hangs in the balance. Brilliant Light Power claims to have the key to unlimited clean electricity. If true, everything changes. If not, it's just another lost dream. Will this technology shock the world or disappear? The answer is coming soon. Are we ready for it?